Hi everyone, Michelle here from the Junk Journal Studio. Well, I'm super excited. We are having another challenge in the Fans of the Junk Journal Studio Facebook page, or group, I should say. It is called All Things Roses 2026. It starts February 4th, so that is this upcoming Wednesday. The challenge digitals are 50% off and they went on sale as of today, Sunday the 1st. This one is going to have a prompt, as you can see here, for every day during the challenge, which is a full 14 days. We are going to do 14 daily digital giveaways. There's going to be 10 end of challenge loaded tag giveaways that will be mailed out in the post, and then 20 end of challenge digital loaded tag giveaways. I know that's a mouthful, but basically there's going to be 20 pages of digitals that are going to be given away to 10 different people of some loaded tags that you can make, and it will be using the digitals from the challenge in those free digitals. So yeah, super duper exciting. One prompt per day. Participate in any or all days. Use the hashtag allthingsroses2026 in your share when you share it in the Fans of the Junk Journal Studios Facebook group. These are the 4 digitals that we will be playing with: the All Things Roses journal and pattern pages, and the All Things Roses, the Fussy Cuts labels, ephemera tickets and such. And then both the Junk Journal Essentials Volume 1 and the Junk Journal Essentials Volume 2. And they are all 50% off, like I said, and they are 50% off right through now until the 18th of February. So that's super exciting. And then this is a page here that just sort of goes through all of the details. A challenge runs for 14 days, 1 prompt per day. Share a photo in the group that matches the daily prompt. Include the hashtag allthingsroses2026 with your share. And then your project must include at least 1 element from the All Things Roses journal and pattern pages, and or the All Things Roses Fussy Cuts labels and ephemera. So that is, just going to show you here. I have All Things Roses journal and pattern pages mega pack, and I'll do a really quick sort of thumb through those or fan them out and show you. I won't show every one of them because we'll be here all day. And then here's the All Things Roses Fussy Cuts and labels. So there's 2 digitals for the All Things Roses, and you must use at least 1 element from either one of them or both of them, and then 1 item from the Junk Journal Essentials Volume 1 and or Volume 2. And I have those here as well. So there's Junk Journal Essentials Volume 1, Junk Journal Essentials Volume 2. So you must use 1 element at least from one of these kits and 1 from one of these kits. Okay, and like I said, challenge digitals are 50% off. Each day, entries from the previous day's prompt are entered into a draw. So let's say it started today. And 10 people shared a photo of their creation that matches the prompt for that day, and use the hashtag allthingsroses2026. So they all posted that today. Tomorrow, check back to the Facebook group because there will be a random app used that will select, a random app name selector, I should say, that will be used to pull a name as the winner from the previous day's shares. And so always following the day after you've shared is when we'll announce who was the winner. So you'll want to be checking back there regularly. And then at the end, or sorry, I should say, and when you do win, you get to pick any free digital you want from my shop. And so you just pop over there, take a look, and then my email will be provided when I post the winner, and you can email me and let me know which one you want. And then the end of challenge giveaways, we will take all of the shares. So even if you only shared 1 time during the 14 days of the challenge, your name will be in there 1 time in the final draw for a bunch of giveaways. If you entered all 14 days, you would have 14 entries in the end of challenge giveaway. And so, like I said, 10 winners will receive a handmade loaded tag, which will be mailed out, and 2 loaded tag digitals, which will be emailed out. And there's 10 of those packages. So super duper fun. We had lots of fun during the last challenge, so I'm sure this one is going to be awesome as well. And then here we have our prompts. I kept them very simple, not complicated. I didn't want anyone to feel like they can't participate. And so they're all very sort of familiar words for the most part when it comes to junk journaling. So these pages, if you wanted to print out the prompts and the instructions, you can go to my Ko-fi shop, which will be linked below, and grab these and print them out if that is helpful for you. And the links to the digitals will be down in the description box below that we'll be using for the challenge. The link to the Fans of the Junk Journal Studio Facebook group where this is all happening can be found in the description box below. And I think that's it. I'm super duper excited. So here we have All Things Roses, the journal and pattern pages. Guys, these kits are beautiful. They're so pretty. They're in pinks, corals, yellows, and turquoise. And the link, I'll include links in the description box for the flip through of both of these too, if you want to take a closer look at any of these digitals, Junk Journal Essentials Volume 1 and 2, and the All Things Roses. There are flip throughs, so you can take a look at those if you would like. This is sort of our yellow section here. Love this page, so pretty. And there's some turquoise. Love this, so pretty. These are all authentic vintage patterns and pieces. Some of these might look the same, but if I compared them up against each other, which maybe I'll do, you can see the difference between the coral and the pink. Well, here you go. There's pink and that's coral. So yeah, they are different. Aren't those beautiful? Just love them so much. And then we just move into pinks here, you guys. Yeah, just some beautiful, beautiful pages here. So that is the All Things Roses journal pages and pattern pages. And then here is the ephemera, fussy cuts, labels, postcards, ephemera, tickets, and more. This one is loaded in beautiful, beautiful bits of ephemera. We have the large size of the fussy cuts and then the medium and the small. There's just pages and pages and pages of fussy cuts. Beautiful rose fussy cuts. They're huge. This one's 39 pages and the pattern journaling pages are 52. Beautiful words, phrases, sentiments, I should say. Look at these tickets. One of my favorites. So pretty. Tea cards. Lots of beautiful tea cards. And these frames, I love these framed ladies. So pretty. Tons and tons of labels. Different sizes. Love these ones. These are all the pattern pages put into the labels. And then some very beautiful stamps. Make cute little pockets, and then some postcards front and back. So beautiful. Front and back. And front and back. Love these tickets too. And then an All Things Roses library card. So that is the 2 All Things Roses digitals. Like I said, if you want a more thorough flip through, the link is down below. And these are what make up the digitals for our brand new challenge. It starts on Wednesday the 4th. If you have any questions, just drop them down below in the comments and I would love to answer them. Pop over to the Facebook group, give it a like. There's going to be all kinds of photos and shares going up in the next couple of weeks using these beautiful kits. Thanks so much for watching and I hope to see you over at the group. Bye.